What's up, guys? This is your buddy Carmate93 here. This is my latest project. My dad has another one that he got brand new when he was a kid. Well, his father bought it. And he forgot to put oil in it one day. Blew the connecting right through the block. So we picked this thing up for 75 bucks. Came with a plow. And I've been tearing the engine apart. Got most of it. And yeah, these other ones buried in a shed up there, so yeah, that's what we've been doing. Fun little project. All parts from the other one that he's had over the years. So yeah, that's just what I've been doing. Been all day, but hell, something to freaking do. So yeah.